Hello friends. Before moving towards our automation journey, we need to understand few concepts very clearly. There is a word agent, skill and tool. So we need to understand the difference. Agent is a person you are hiring in your company. It has a role. It could be a manager, it could be a sales expert, it could be SEO expert, it could be marketing expert, it could be a writer, it could be a technician. This role, this persona, this is an agent. Skill is the working document. You call it working document, you call it internal process document, you call it working instruction, you call it a procedure for doing a particular task, whatever you call it. It is a procedure of doing a particular task in your company. For example, in SEO, you have a particular process for technical SEO, for backlinking. If it is a writer, you have a particular writing, mean how you select the idea, how you write the keywords, how you add the long tail keywords, short tail keywords, and how you finalize the article. You have that document, that handover document is called a skill. Number three is a tool. Tool is something, a login, a credential, a laptop, a gadget that the person will be using to do that task. In this scenario, if it could be Slack, it could be Notion. If it is creating a video, it need a camera. If it is writing something, so it need a keyboard. Any gadget that he need to perform that task, that will be a tool. So you will hiring a person, you define its JD. Similarly, when we are defining an agent, we define its JD, what will be the role, what are the expectations, what are the goals, what are the limitations, what are the restrictions. We hand over, when we hire someone, we give him a working document, a working instruction. This is your duty and this is how you have to perform it. This is a step-by-step guide of doing this thing. Similarly, when we define an agent, we define a complete skill. Then we assign some tools to that person so he can perform his duty well. If we are hiring a security guard, we are giving him a gun and we are also telling when he can use it and when he cannot. We are giving the tool to Claude, we are giving the tool to our AI agent, and we are defining when he can use it, and either he can just have it or use it, and if it can use it with dummy bullets or with actual bullets. We are defining those things in the tool. If we hire a security guard, he has the skill, has the capability, but he don't have the tool, he don't have the gun, it is not working. Same is the case for agent. We have the agent has the skill, but agent don't have the tool, so it will not be working. We have the security guard, we have the gun, but he is not a trained person, he is just a random person who is sitting at computer for 16 hours. So I don't have the skill of a security guard. I will be maybe using my mobile phone for 16 hours by sitting at the bank, so I cannot do that. So I need the skill. Similarly, an agent should have a tool and agent should have a skill set as well. So that working document, that structured document. In third scenario, we have the skill, we have the tool, but we don't have the security guard. That vacancy is vacant. In that scenario also, the agent will not be working because agent is nowhere. So in agentic AI, we will be having an agent, we will be having a tool, and we will be having a skill set. Moving forward, we will be having a memory that we will be discussing in next session. So let's take an example. You ask a request, bring me summary of my Slack from last 7 days. We have the agent. Agent has a persona. He is an executive assistant. He go to Slack. Slack is the tool and he know what to do, what type of channel he need to see, and if there are any external channels, internal channels, team channels, HR related channels, where he need to go, what he need to study, and what type of summary he need to bring back, and how he need to present it. So that will be a skill. This is how an agent will be performing a complete task.